So, what are you in jail for? Me? Well, I'm in for thieving. Thieving? Yeah, you know. Stole, stealing, and not doing. Oh, right. Yeah, you know. Them stupid market guards and all. What the fuck are you doing? Fuck! Get back here, scumbag! That's one sad fuck of a story, bro. So what about you? Just a bank robbery? Well, sort of. Well, you see, I tried to rob it at first, but really, I didn't really rob a bank. It was actually a gay parlor. I walked in there by accident, and the bank was next door. Stupid mistake, and most of the guards were actually homosexual. That sucks. I know. Do you like Justin Bieber? Yeah.